If you look at number 3, it says Diego's current age is 5 times Martina's age 10 years ago. If Martina is currently M years old, what is Diego's current age in terms of M? So going back to the beginning, it says Diego's current age is 5 times Martina's age 10 years ago. What does that look like? So M minus 10. However, I have to find Martina's age first. So you have to use parentheses. So you have 5 parentheses M minus 10, which if you distribute is 5M minus 50, and that's why it's C.
Oh, we didn't. Okay.
So because you have to find Martina's age before you multiply 5, and when you know order, you use parentheses. So this is one of the most missed. Okay, and then look at number 15.
Hello? You waiting?
So if you look at number 15, another most missed. Okay, it says the formula for the volume of the right circular cylinder shown is V equals pi r squared h. So if r equals this, h equals this, what is the volume of the cylinder? So we know that V equals pi r squared h. And we also know that r is 2b and h is 5b plus 3. And don't let pi mess you up. Pi, treat it like a variable, okay? So we have to follow PEMDAS. And P stands for parentheses, but nothing inside my parentheses simplifies, so we can ignore P, and we go to E for exponent. So we have to get rid of this exponent. So we have V equals pi times, well, you have to give this to both because it's power to a power. So 2 squared is 4, and B squared is B squared. Because this is multiplying, this is all considered together. And I have to distribute it because there's parentheses with a plus sign in the middle. So distribute to the 5b. Well, 4 times 5 is 20. B squared times b, remember we add exponents when we're multiplying, so 2 plus 1 is 3. And then pi, there's no pi here, so it's just pi. So then I have to distribute it now to the 3. Well, 4 times 3 is 12. B squared, there's nothing here with that 3, so it's just B squared. And then pi is just pi because there was nothing with that 3. So if you look, B is my answer. It's not C because C has exponents with the pi, and we never multiplied pi times another pi, so there's no exponent with pi.
You couldn't check if we got it right?
Not really. This one's kind of weird. If you look though at number what's it called? Number 8. This is one of the most correct, I believe. One of the highest percentages correct. Yeah. Okay, so if you look at this one, people did struggle a little bit. What would we do to solve here?
Minus 4.
No.
Minus 2.
Thank you.
Minus
2. And that leaves me with 2/3 x equals 2. Now what? How do we don't want to divide by 2/3 because remember we only have the blue calculators. So how do you get rid of a fraction in one step?
Flip.
Multiply by the reciprocal,
Yeah.
the flip.
Okay.
Well, we know that when they're diagonal from each other, they cancel. So I'm left with x, and aren't these diagonal from each other?
Yeah.
So what does it equal? 3. So now you could have also just plugged those in. Okay, if you have questions on any of the other ones, like the one you pick is the hardest, or you want me to check it or look at it with you, just let me know.